everyone, I'm finally back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be making this Batman helmet. A few years ago, I built an Iron Man helmet, and that was a lot of fun, so I thought, why not do a Batman one? So this will be very similar to that, except for one thing, it's not as good. What I mean by that is, for the Iron Man helmet, I was following a very thorough guide made by Box & Loop, which included electronics to open the helmet up. This time I wanted an extra challenge, so I thought, why not try and design a mechanical opening mechanism myself? But we'll get into that later on. First thing I had to do was choose which Batman helmet to make. So the one I landed on is the helmet from Arkham Knight. It is a very clean, very cool design, and more importantly, there was a design for it on Thingiverse. So yeah, credit goes to Sean Humberg on Thingiverse. I'll link the page in the description below. One small edit I made was the face part was really big and would have taken like 2 days to print. So I used Fusion to slice it in half just to make the print time and the material less. So then I printed all the parts. Next, I'm going to use my 120 grade sandpaper and filing set to smooth all the pieces down. So looking to smooth the outside and the inside. So now we can put the parts together. I'm going to do this in 2 parts. Firstly, I'm going to do the front plate and then the rest of the mask. This time, instead of using glue or solder, I'm going to be using my new 3D printing pen. You can use the same filament as for printing so that the colors will match. I found that this is better for filling in the gaps than soldering. So yeah, let's do this. So now that we had our 2 pieces, I had to figure out a way to put them together. So like I said earlier, this helmet is from the Arkham Knight games, and so I wanted to open similar to how it does in this clip, where it kind of just pops open in the front. Let's see that one more time. So I found this claw grabber on Thingiverse, and I decided to use the middle part of this as a connector between the faceplate and the rest of the mask. This way you can extend it to open the mask and then retract it to close it again. So I went ahead and printed the parts. This is how they work. I printed 2 of these, and I'm planning to put them in the helmet right here, and then on the faceplate on the corresponding sides. So now that the connectors are in the mask, we are able to open the mask like so, and close it. So now it's all one piece. So next I'm going to put some Velcro at the bottom of this mask here. So that way if I ever want to lock it in place so it won't open, I can do that. So now as you can see, it won't open. So I'm going to add some padding to the mask now. I've made a piece here out of some EVA foam and some adhesive sticker that looks like it'll add some webbing texture to the sides. And so we're going to use some Loctite and just add this padding to the sides here. So as you can see, the plate has been put in and it looks pretty sick. Alright, so now it's time to paint it. I'm going to be using some of this matte black Krylon paint. Let's get it. Last thing I'm going to do is add some helmet padding, which I had left over from the Iron Man helmet, to the mask. So we have 1 piece on the back here, and 1 piece on the front, and this will just make it a little bit more comfortable to wear the mask. So yeah, that's it. A pretty simple build this time. I want to make more of these videos that are shorter so I can make more of them. If you do want to see more, please like, subscribe, all that. Comment below what you want to see me build next. I guess all that's left to do now is sullenly stare out over the city.